And we are making word. Now making 4. First I was making 1, 2, 3. Now making 4. Wow. Good job. 4. 4. Finish. Now making 5. How to making 5? Like this. Hmm. 5. Oh, you play with door like this. 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Now we are making 6. Now we are making 6. Which color? Green. Now open door, new, making 6. Green color. Green. Like this. Rounding, 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 finish. 6 with green color. Oh wow, beautiful. Wow, 6. Good. What do you now making 6? Wow, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 6, 6. Now we are making 7. 7 also green color. 7. We are making 7. We are making 7. 7, 7, 7, 7. 7. Seven. Now 7 finish. Wow. 7. Seven finish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 7, 7. Now we are making 8. Which color? I have orange color. Orange color. 7. Finish now. We are making 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7. Now we are making 8. Like this, rounding. Now we are making 8. Do you know how to making it? It like different shape. Like 2, 0. Gathering. Like this. Oh. And same like one more. Now we are making different shape 8. Okay, I show you. Like this. This shape good 8. Okay, same like writing. Wow. Orange color 8 finished. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 8, 8 finish. Now we are making 9. Now we are making 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Same orange color. We are making 9. See how to making 9. So like this. 9. Wow, 9 finish. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 9, 9. Now we are making 8. Now we are making with purple color. 10. Now we are making 10 with purple color. Okay. Rounding. Now we are making 10. 10, 10, 10. Now we are making 10. Now we are making 10. 10, 10, 10. Wow! Now 10 finished. We are making 10 with purple color. Okay? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay guys, okay kids. If you like video, please comment, share, like, and also subscribe my and your channel. Thank you for watching A to Z everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay guys, please comment for new dough videos. Finish. Please like and subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.